Ways to use spring dandelions. Did you know that the entire dandelion plant, from flower to root, is edible and safe to consume for both people and pets? The nutritional and healing effects of dandelions have been well recognized throughout the years. They're a nutrient-dense, tasty, and adaptable dietary source with a variety of medical properties as herbal treatments. Dandelion leaves. The leaves of the dandelion are a delicate spring green. When the leaves are young and small, they have a spinach-like flavor. Over the course of a year, the greens will become bitter and rough, so make sure you pick them early in the spring for the best flavor. Dandelion greens, which are high in vitamins A, C, and K, are a nutritious and simple meal to incorporate into our diets. They're also abundant in nutrients like iron and zinc, and they have prebiotic fiber, which can help with digestion. Dandelion greens also have a moderate laxative effect, which can aid in liver and digestive system cleansing. Toss them into smoothies, eat them raw in salads, or even add them to soups. Pesto can also be made by combining them with other herbs and garlic. Make dandelion egg noodles from the greens for a spring green comfort dish. Dandelion flowers. Dandelion blooms have a slight honey taste that makes them perfect for a variety of sweet foods. The entire flower head is edible, although the green parts are bitter and less appealing, so we suggest sticking with just the flower petals. For a delightful treat, bake the petals in cookies. Toss flowers into bread dough for a colorful and flavorful touch. The petals can be used to make a refreshing and tasty herbal tea. Toss the petals into cookie mixtures, rice pudding, or even oatmeal. Dandelions for herbal remedies. Herbal medicine has always employed the entire dandelion plant, from flower to root. The leaves are frequently crushed and used on the skin as poultices to get rid of toxins and impurities. The flower's tea has a faint bitter taste, similar to chamomile, and is a fantastic after-dinner tea to assist digestion. The petals may be used to make a pleasant massage oil for rheumatic joints by infusing them in oil. Consumed as a tea or used as a tincture, the roots are believed to remove uric acid from the body, making them an effective gout therapy. To sweeten tea and ease digestion, infuse the roots in honey. A tincture of the flowers and roots can be produced for digestion and cleansing. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.